Hi everyone, this is Subodh and today I'm going to speak about the use of cloud services in banks. Bank is the financial institution of our society which manages our money and properties. There are three core business services provided by banks. They are internet or net banking, mobile services, and teller machines or ATMs. The internet banking, we use internet for everything today. So for banking as purpose as well, we use the bank's website to do our banking queries or like any problems. We use teller machines like ATMs in our daily life to get cash money, to deposit or withdraw cash in our accounts. We use mobile banking like in our different apps of banks to use in our daily life. We use them to save our money, we check our balances and all. So for the banks, security and privacy is the most important part. So we need our security and privacy of our financial information because it's really important for everyone. And banks, they keep them as their main objective to solve them. So they use very high secure softwares and technologies to secure our private informations and all. Workload types and its need in bank. So workload are the collection of codes and data which we get from independent services and that we need to run regularly and execute them. There are three types of workload used in banks: batch workload, transactional workload, and analytical workload. Batch workloads provides regular data and are predictable. In bank, they use them to provide monthly billing of electricity or loan payments, etc. They also use them for providing information through bots like Siva from Commonwealth. In transactional workload, they monitor regular transaction of a person's account. In bank they use them by providing regular expenses of a daily life and keeping record of them, and also sending messages and emails about the expenses, and also providing information about to monitor them. In analytical workload, they analyze the data provided from different networking devices, cloud networks, ATMs, apps, websites, etc. And they help to monitor all the different activities going on these networking sites. There are many benefits of using computer cloud services in banks. Some of them are as follows. In batch workload, as you know, we can use bots to provide information to users. So when we use a bot, then you can provide a personalized information to every individual users, which helps to make a strong bond between the clients and the banks. Similarly, in the transactional workload of the computer banking, like you can use them to check the user transaction of the data of the users, and with the help of that you can help the users to overcome their expenses, needs, and all their problems. With analytical workload, they can help the user to get service at any time of the day, 24 hours, as the analytic workload runs at very fast speed at every time. So now, why the bank needs mainframe computers? Mainframe computers are super powerful computers that can execute huge amount of data and store them at real time and can execute them in proper manner. So the bank needs to use mainframe computer because they can save huge number of data at a given time. They also execute huge number of data of different consumers at the real time and also provide results at the same time. They can also support all different devices and networking systems. Like they can also control and execute the queries from cloud computing, and which are very important today. It's also cost efficient. You can simply improve your computer network simply by adding some softwares, other than adding external devices and like extra users, or what you call it, the employees.